Researcher and archaeologist Dr. Aurore Didier, who is heading French Excavation mission in Sindh and Baluchistan, delivered a lecture on recent discoveries at Chanhon-jo-Daro at National Museum, Karachi. Speaking to News Pakistan TV, she said that excavations were an ongoing process.
We hope to carry out further excavations in Chanhon-jo-Daro. Hopefully it's not only a 2-3 years program, but at least 5-6 years program. We will do more extensive excavations to have more evidences on this vast architectural complex, and we will also continue our explorations in Sindh Kohistan, which is a very important region to better understanding the relationships between people and their environment during the Indus Period.
Lamenting that European students were not aware of Indus Valley civilization as it is not offered as a subject, she said.
We have also welcomed this year not only students from Pakistan but also students from France, and this is very important because there is no courses, no teaching on the Indus civilization in the university. So sometimes I give some courses, but I'm not a permanent teacher in the university. I'm a permanent researcher at the CNRS. So I think that we have to also make many improvements in the exchange of students, not only from Pakistan to France, but to France towards Pakistan. So we made come this year students from France, and we try to work on scholarship programs with both the Embassy of France and HEC to found exchanging program for the students.
She further told about ongoing endeavors to expose artifacts from Indus Valley in Paris.
Embassy of France, and if there are antiquities from Baluchistan or Sindh dating from the poetry, maybe I could be part of the project. I know that Musée Guimet is studying a cooperation project with Department of Archaeology for holding a new exhibition in Musée Guimet, temporary exhibition at like the times of Jarij.